we want to look at mathematics. Today's topic is subject of the formula. Subject of the formula, that's what we want to look at. Subject of the formula. The word subject of the formula simply means to allow an entity to stand on its own. For example, we have S is equals to UT plus I have AT squared. You have to make this the subject of the formula. Make T the subject of the formula. Allowing T to stand on its own. By allowing T to stand on its own means that we make sure that T should live on its own. By having S is equals to UT plus I have AT squared. This is the same thing as S is equals to UT plus AT squared all over 2. Then when the number stand on its own, it's the same thing as over 1. Find the LCM. This is over 1. LCM of 1, 1, 2 is equal to 2. The next thing is to multiply each term by 2. We have S over 1 multiplied by 2 is equal to UT over 1 multiplied by 2 plus AT squared all over 2 multiplied by 2. These 2 we cancel these 2. 2 times S is in the 2S is equal to 2 times UT. You have 2UT plus AT squared. Then you can write this as AT squared plus 2UT equals to 2S. Then this has resolved to what we call quadratic equation. Then let us using completing the square method. Using the complete the square method. Complete the square method. The first thing we have to do is to divide through by the coefficient of t squared. The coefficient of t squared is 8. That is 8t squared all over a plus 2ut over a is equals to 2s over a. This a we cancel this a. Then we now have t squared plus 2ut all over a is equals to 2s over a. Then what do? We take out the coefficient of what? Take out the coefficient of t, square it and add it to both sides. Take out the coefficient of t, square it, we square it and add it to both sides. That means that we have t, the coefficient of t is 2u over a, half of e. Then imply that coefficient of t is 2u over a, half of 2u over a, which equals to 1 whole over 2 multiplied by 2u over a, isn't it? So these 2 can count these 2. You have u over a. Then we now have the square of it. We add it to this side, we add it to this side. We add it to the left hand side, to the right hand side. Then it means that we now have t squared plus 2ut over a plus, this is u all over a, everything in bracket square, equals to 2s over a plus u over a, everything in bracket square. Then this is still the same thing as t squared plus 2ut over a plus u all over a, everything in bracket square, equals to 2s over a plus the square of u is u squared, the square of a is a squared. Then let us rewrite the equation as t squared plus, that is 2ut all over a plus u all over a, everything in bracket square, equals to, we have 2s over a plus 2s all over a plus u squared all over what? A squared. Having this, That means that we find the LCM of A and A square. That LCM is A square. A square is A, that is A times 2AS. We have 2A plus A square cancel A square times U square. That's plus U square. We now have T square plus 2UT all over A plus U all over A, everything in bracket square equals to that. Then, the next thing we need to do is to what? Is to factorize. We factorize this. That is, the factorization of this is T plus U all over A, everything in bracket square. Is equals to 2AS plus U square all over what? A square. Then we take the square root of both sides. Take the square root. Square root of both sides. Now taking square root of both sides, we have T plus U all over A, everything in bracket square root is equals to 2AS plus U square all over A square root. Then we don't have the square root of 2AS plus U square all over A square. But there is a square root on this square, can cancel the square root. Then we now have T plus U all over A is equals to, there is no square root of 2AS plus U square. You write it as square root of 2AS plus U square. Then the square root of A square is A. Then you make, we want to make T the subject of the formula. Subject of the formula. Now making T the subject of the formula, we have our T is equals to, if this U is going to the left hand side, you now have minus U over A, positive or negative, square root of 2AS plus U square over A. By finding the LCM of this, that is A in A, that is 1, times minus U, that's minus U, positive or negative. A divided by A, that's 1, times square root of 2AS plus U square, that's square root of 2AS plus U square. Therefore, T is equals to minus U positive or negative, the square root of 2AS plus U square all over A. That you write quietly, easily done. We have proved the formula. So that means that T, we are having 2T the other time. We only left with what? Only 1T. Let's look at the second question. Making T the subject of the formula. Example 2. Make T the subject of the formula. We have S is equals to UT plus N equals to U plus B all over 2, everything in bracket C. We have to make T the subject of the formula. Make T the subject of the formula. Subject of the formula. We have S will now be equals to U plus B all over 2 into bracket T. Then we have to what? We cross multiply. We now have S times 2 is equals to U plus B into bracket T. Then let's all remove the bracket. Remove the bracket. Removing the bracket, 2 times S. 2S equals to T times U plus T times V. We have 2S is equals to T times U. That is TU plus T times V. T. What do? We factorize. Let's factorize. Because we have 2S is equals to factorizing of this. T is common to both sides. We now have T into what? T in TUV, that is U, plus T in TUV, that is, we equally have B, isn't it? We now divide both sides. Divide both sides. Both sides by what? Now dividing both sides by U plus B. So that means we have 2S is equals to what? U plus B, isn't it? U plus B, T into bracket, U plus B. Divide both sides by U plus B all over what? U plus B. This we cancel this. Therefore, A equals to 2S all over U plus B. So this is where we are going to stop today. Do not forget to follow us on our YouTube channel by clicking on the red button through Jima Excellence School. Once again, we thank you for listening and many thanks. It will come your way again. Thanks. Bye.